Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, I'm not really a huge fan of Big Brother, but I've been watching this season of Big Brother, right? And Uthandeka was saved. I think almost everyone wanted her out. And look at Liama's reaction. Liama really wanted this girl gone. Like, she could not believe, like, how did she even stay there, you know? And I also saw that even Mili was so disappointed when he saw that Uthandeka didn't leave. And if they only knew how much of a huge fan base this girl has outside, how much people are rooting for her, regardless of her being so negative and kind of a bully, honestly, if you want to be honest here, really. She's kind of a bully, but I mean, I don't know. I'm assuming she's playing the game. Like, she knows what she's doing. She's playing the game. She knows that it's going to get her attracted to a lot of viewers. A lot of viewers are going to get attracted to her. They want to know her. Some people are even going to team up with her because of this is television. It's drama. Oh my God. You see Liema, Mili, and Uthandeka, they're going to stay for a long time.